guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a shaved eye stand in Heartopia. So this is going to be a little bit complicated. Hopefully I remember everything, but I'm just going to place some floorings here. Actually, I don't think it matters that much, so I'll just skip that. And let's get started. We are going to go to others first, and we're going to grab the wooden wall sculpture. And we're going to place it on this wall over here. I'm just going to color that white, press confirm, and press a check mark. Then we're also going to add one here, but we're going to add a different color. We're going to use the darker blue shade of this one. Press confirm and press the check mark button. Then we're going to need the wooden wall storage. I'm just going to place one here, like on this height, I guess. There we go. Then we're going to place the joinery drawer cabinet here and here. We're also going to get the simplistic stove and we're going to place that there. Right, looking okay so far. Then we're going to grab the wooden wall storage again and we're going to place it on this side of the wall here and on this height as well. We're going to color that the lighter blue like so. Okay, then what we're going to want to do is we're going to add the joinery side table and we're going to place it here essentially. If you don't like the color of the grass there, I suggest you put the flooring in. Let me just do that real quick actually. So I hate having to color the underside of it, to be honest, but I have to do that or else it's gonna show and it's not going to look pretty. Okay, grab this and place it on the floor there. And we're going to grab the joinery side table and we're going to place that there. As you can see, it looks like a little place for ice. So we're going to go to others. Hopefully you have this. If you don't have this, just buy it from Massimo, the brick ice. And we're going to essentially place it like here. There we go. Super cute so far. And I'm just going to start adding some of the shaved ice that I've made and some fruit baskets. So let's just do that first. I'm going to add this one here. I'll add 3. Then I'm going to add the orange one. And then I'll add the pineapple one. Or should I do the blueberry one? Let's do the pineapple here. And then on this side, I'm going to add this cutting board, like here, I guess. And then I'm going to also add this appliance to it, like over here. If you don't want to block your shaved ice, you can just leave it out. I don't think I want to add that. And then I am going to also add, do I have it here? Where would it be though? No, that would just be the baskets. Okay, I guess I have to add it later on, but we're going to add fruit baskets too, but I don't know where I'm supposed to find that. Maybe I have to do it outside of build mode because I'm in blueprint mode. We're just going to add harvested fruits there. Oh, maybe it's in outdoors actually. Let me search for that. Oh yeah, it is outdoors. So the kind of basket of fruits you're just going to place here. What's cute? I'm gonna add the strawberry one because it's cute. And then I'll add a grape one maybe. Or maybe just the pineapple one. I don't know, it's up to you what you want to add, of course, here. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. It's super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.